Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
Step to Mordecai.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
Pink wears purple outfit and then sees Zhongli in blue. Pink to Zhongli.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now.
Don't open this if you hate the airplanes thing, okay? Pink wears purple outfit and sees Mordecai IWH dash dot.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
I'm really sorry guys, but what's done is done. I understand if I get kicked out of the chat. For more extra information to the picture, here's a small summary.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really
a cherry blossom, you're about to bloom. You look so pretty, but aimed at my heart, you got one. Tear me apart and there's some. How do we call? I'm a little drunk and I need you now, and I don't know how I can give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
I dash.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that
No.
airplanes in the night sky like shooting? Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Hey woof woof woof. Thomas the Train Uncomfy version.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
Fatui Chechen Mages. Mordecai.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
It's very emotional cries.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
The first character that comes to your mind.
I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Sorry guys for ranting, I was talking to the sky.
Can we pretend that airplane? Can we pretend that airplane? Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
Dot. SHFDSKLHFLSKDFJKLSDJFLKSFLSDFSJKF.
I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Guys, OMG the blue and purple. OMG yes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
I just smashed my keyboard so hard. Purple heart. Comma. Sips tea. Blue circle. It's peaceful in this side.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Throws wish crushing it.
There lived a certain man in Schnechnaya long ago.
He was big and strong and his eyes a flaming glow.
Most people looked at him with terror and with fear.
But to Schnechnaya chicks he was such a lovely dear. He could preach the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. But he also was the kind of teacher when Ashnayan queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Tar, tar, exactly Ashnayan's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on.